Hello guys, welcome to Save XR. Today I am going to show you how to draw neon tube-like structures in art. Take a black sheet and sketch whatever you like. Now I am writing love, the letter love. I am sketching it. You can sketch whatever you need. And I am giving it a spiral detail. Now take a marker. Before using the marker, shake it. Here I am using Posca marker. Now I am giving it one coat. You can use any markers as you wish. You can use any colors, any neon colors based on like blue, pink, green or yellow. Now I am giving the letter love first single coat. I am using Posca markers because they are very bright markers. You can use alternatives also. I will link them in the description box. Now I am giving second coat of the pink Posca marker. I am giving second coat sooner because the Posca markers dries very soon. Now I am drawing the second coat. In the second coat, the lettering becomes brighter and brighter. Now our second step is to take a white Posca marker and to highlight the white Posca marker beneath on the pink outline. Now I am giving the white Posca marker on the pink Posca. I am highlighting the love symbol, love lettering. Here white is very important. Whatever color you use on the base, you have to use white color, guys. White is very crucial point. Now I am taking a pink pit pen and giving the details. Here I am using a neon pink pit pen. I will use all the stationery which I am giving in the description. I am giving it shaky coats because it will become very good to see. You can sketch which lettering you like and which lettering you like. Anything you can sketch here. Now I am taking pink pencil, Faber-Castell pencil, and giving it another coat. I am shading outside the lettering. I am shading outside the lettering with the pink pencil. Smoothly, you have to shade it very smoothly. Now I am taking the smudger and smudging the pink pencil part because it will become very smoothly. Now I am taking pink Posca marker, again highlighting it. This is the process. The process is a bit long, but it is okay. You will get the amazing results. I am very pretty happy with my work. Now I am with the E letter and I am giving it one more coat. And again I am taking the smudger and smudging my pink pencil portion. As smudger is very important. If you don't have smudger, you can use the cotton buds also. Again I am using here pink pit pen, Luxor company. I will describe all the stationery in my description box. You can buy them on Amazon. That's it, guys. The lettering, neon tube lettering is almost over. Now I am doing a brick effect. As it is on the brick wall. You can give your brick effect or any effect you need. And I am giving it one more coat of pencil. And finally last I'm giving one more thing. Pit paint, what you have to give 3 to 4 more coats, guys. It is very crucial. If you don't give larger amount of coats, it will not look as neon tubes. Neon tube effect will not occur, and you have to smudge very smoothly. Done, guys.